Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to do this graphic butterfly eyeliner. I don't even really know how to do it, so we're going to be learning together, but that's fine. But before we get started, I have something very exciting that I would like to announce that I'm personally very excited about. But I am doing a meet and greet, a little virtual meet and greet because there's still a pandemic. But on June the 26th, the tickets are already available. It's Xowie.headliner.live. If you guys want to hang out, we can video call for a little bit. I'm excited. This is my first meet and greet ever. Again, Xowie.headliner.live. You don't have to come if you don't want to, especially if you don't want to meet me. But I want to meet you. I'll show you what I'm gonna try to do, okay? I already got the page pulled out because I knew I was gonna try to show this. It's not completely, I don't know if you can see the drawing completely. I didn't color it in all the way, but it like goes all the way. Like, I'm not good at drawing butterflies. I'm gonna start with my face. I'm just gonna put this pour primer on. I lost a cap to it and I don't really have that much left, so I'm gonna have to like squeeze it out like that. But I've had this idea for this look for a long time. I am just very intimidated by it because I cannot draw a butterfly worth a crap, and I don't know why. I don't think I'm that bad at drawing. I don't know, I'm kind of intimidated. Every time I've tried to do some sort of butterfly look, it just has not turned out how I wanted it to. Anyways, I'm using Juvia's Place foundation. It's like all messed up and I'm running out of this too. Anyways, I'm intimidated because no matter how many times I've tried to draw a very pretty butterfly, it has never worked. Because I feel like butterflies should be easy to draw. Hold on, I'm gonna blend this poopy on my face. Let me blend it. I got my foundation done in it. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer that's got an eyelash on it in this brush right here. Now, I had a few looks that I was planning on filming. I was gonna do like an updated everyday makeup tutorial, which let me know down below if you guys want one of those. Because I kind of did one, but my everyday makeup has changed like completely in the way that I do it. But I'm using Benefit concealer that I'm also almost out of. I'm going like that, just to carve the shape of my face, under eyes, forehead, tip of my nose, and line. Now I'm just gonna blend this. Now I'm literally just gonna take this Madison Beer glittery face spray. I'm gonna show you around. Look how pretty. I'm just gonna, no, I'm really wet. Now I'm doing my eyebrows with the Inglot black liner. I'm just trying to get to the eyeliner part because that is the main focus. You want to do my eyebrows? Hold on. I'm gonna try to sit up straight just because I don't sit up straight. Eyebrows are done, so I can move on to the stuff that's actually important. I am so nervous. Okay, so I'm trying to do this little wing thing. It like goes here and then it goes around and then it goes that way. I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I'm just gonna start like that. Okay. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay, and then now I'm gonna fill it in. I don't know if that's too small. It's kind of cool looking though. I'm just gonna fill it in. Fill her in, fill her in. That was the first step. Do you see it? Now I'm basically just going to do the same thing but upside down. Anyways, hold on. That kind of looks like a butterfly wing. Okay, let me just darken it. Oh, I blinked. Does that look like a butterfly wing? If not, I still think it looks cool. I'm just going to draw a line. I'm gonna give myself like the inner wing because I think that'll make it look kind of cool. My eye is watering. You guys want to see what I do whenever my eye waters while I'm doing my makeup? I take a paper towel. This one's kind of dirty. Get a clean one, obviously, but I use this for like this. I just find a spot and I close the paper towel in my eye and I just blink and it gets like most of the water without it ruining anything. Let me do the inner wing. Oh my god, trying to make this even. It's going to be the death of me. Okay, even if this doesn't look like a butterfly wing, I still think that it looks really cool. Here's what I have so far. So what I did is I started with drawing the top and I drew it kind of like I draw a regular wing, but instead of just going straight out, I went whoop and made a little curve. And then I did the bottom wing, which was just connecting where this wing ends and just going into around the center of my eye right here. And then I drew the inner wing and connected it. And yeah, I think it looks kind of cool. It's not really a style I normally go for, but I can't wait to see both sides done. Now, the finishes are, I got Duo Lash Glue and I got some black glitter. Make sure if you do this, you use Eye Safe glitter. Take the black and I'm just gonna take some of this eyelash glue and I'm gonna be doing this in little sections and I'm going to kind of stamp the eyelash glue directly on top of where there is black eyeliner. And then I'm going to switch to this brush and I'm gonna dip it in some glitter, some black glitter, and stamp it on top of the eyelash glue. See, like that. When you just make sure you're using Eye Safe glitter, because if you get it in your eyes, it could potentially blind you. And I don't want any of you to get blinded. Now I'm gonna take like a little brush and I'm just gonna brush as much glitter off of my face that fell that I can. And I'm just gonna do the same for the other eye. Oh, I got glitter all over my face. I got glitter all over my face. Even though this is not exactly how I wanted it to look, I still do think it looks really cool. So I'm going to put on mascara. This is Morphe's mascara. It's in this black thing. By far my favorite packaging I've seen for a mascara, I would like to say. Because usually mascara packaging is just like not really that cool. These are eyelashes I use. I get them off of Amazon for everybody wondering. I just type in 25mm eyelashes and they come up and I get them and that's that. I want to find cool brands and stuff though, but I mean for the most part every time I've like seen an eyelash company and stuff, it's just been eyelashes from Amazon but sold for like 30 bucks instead of the 10 for 4 of them. I would like to make my own eyelashes. I just have no idea how you make this eyelash. I'm gonna put on this little rhinestone. I'm gonna put this little rhinestone right. I don't wanna put it on. I'm just gonna put it like, thank you. I forgot to put highlighter on in it. My everyday highlighter, you guys know this, Benefit Cookie. Put in here. This is Juvia's Place Brown Cola Lip Liner. I'm gonna draw a line. Hi guys, my battery died. I'm almost done anyways. Okay, so I did the brown lip liner and now I'm going in with Taupe by Mock. I'm like almost out of this. And then I'm gonna go back in with my Madison Beer setting spray. And that will be the finished look. Hello, this is the finished look. I know all I did was put a choker on. I was gonna put other chains on, but I think I left them at my boyfriend's house. I will say this is the best it has ever turned out though. Even though it's not exactly a butterfly, it pulls a little bit of inspiration from it, doesn't it? But that is it. I am so excited for my meet and greet. It is June the 26th, which is a Saturday. It'll be the Saturday after this video goes up. I'm excited to see you there. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, follow me on not Twitter. Subscribe to me on YouTube and hit the notification bell so you can see whenever I post all the time. Besties forever. Bye guys.